Hi everybody, and welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is an Indco air-operated laboratory dissolver. As you can see, it's designed for a 5-gallon pail. It has a 4-inch standard dissolver blade on. Like I said, completely pneumatically operated. It has a pneumatic lift, which we have about 30 psi running inside the through the regulator right here. And that's about a good pressure for safe lifting up and down. Like I said, you see the 4-inch blade there. Has a gassed air motor, 1.5 horsepower. Of course, the muffler you see there. Up top, that is a tachometer. It is not working right now. Probably a small module in there, probably needs to be replaced. Of course, has a holder, a stabilizer for your pail, has a little spring-loaded chain to lock that in as well. You have a couple of controls here, one for your main air, and then this will throttle your dissolver air. And we're going to show you that right now. Just slowly turn it on. And when you have a heavier shaft like this, you can run out of water. The maximum speed is about 3,000 RPM. And you see that there. This type of mixers are very powerful. Of course, a lot of you are familiar with them. We're going to show you, we cannot reach full speed with the height of the fluid we have in here right now. As you can see, it actually pulls the vortex right down to the blade. It's starting to spill a little bit there. We have lots of dissolvers, dispersers in our stock. On our website, go to the mixers category on the left side of the menu and then click on the subset dispersion. You'll see lots of mixers under also different categories as well. We have also everything in packaging as well. We do hope you'll visit our site at www.champtrading.com, and we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.